So if you're someone who follows Tesla and has seen some of the short shorts recently, which are some really small red shorts that you can wear, and it says S3XY on the back of it for Tesla's 4 models of cars that they make, you're probably wondering what that's about. So Elon's Twitter is scrutinized very heavily by the people in the government that enforce how a CEO talks about their company's stock. They don't like a CEO to say, "Hey, our stock's the best, buy it," or "You should sell our stock," or anything like that. So Elon's gotten in trouble with them before by commenting on Tesla's stock. So he wanted to make fun of the people that were betting against the stock. And you may be wondering, why are we talking about Tesla stock now instead of about the short shorts? Well, to bet against a company in the form of a stock trade is called shorting. If you want to learn more about this, I would recommend following Real Life Trading. They're an awesome platform for learning about the stock market. But if you short a stock, it means that you're betting against it. And there were a bunch of people betting against Tesla, and they got burned hard. And so to celebrate that, Elon tweeted that they were going to make some fabulous red short shorts with gold lettering. And boy, have they arrived. I've got the unboxing video for you. Don't worry, I'm not going to model them. There's plenty of people that have put them on and taken pictures and videos of themselves on the internet. So if that's your thing, go check it out. But here's the unboxing video of the Tesla short shorts. It is a physical manifestation of how hilarious it is to bet against one of the most awesome companies in the world. Enjoy. God, these are nice. Insanely nice packaging.